How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to a Capital Gains 500 video, and today we are checking out Workhorse. This company has been on my radar and I should have been talking about it earlier, but I'm glad I didn't actually, because of all this volatility. I really don't like to talk about stocks right before, they're kind of crazy, especially because people get very emotional, very sentimental, and any update, like I could be like, oh, awesome. Oh, are we done? Ooh, awesome. We're going to the moon. Oh, are we done? But actually, I think I'm talking on it at a really good day, because today it is on the top movers in Robinhood, and I did say that these stocks are to stay away. But actually, after doing more research and keeping an eye on it, because the hype is there, a lot of people are interested in 133,000 people on Robinhood. The stock took a plunge today. In the past month, it is up almost 400%. Wow, very lucky. I am very jealous of all these people. I'm so jealous, like, honestly. Why could I have not found this company sooner? Electric company, mainly primarily in making industrial vehicles for like moving and junk. Their vehicles are very unique. They have their niche. I really like that they have a niche. They're not like, oh, we're going to be the next Tesla. We're going to compete with Tesla. We're going to compete with Porsche or any other automaker. They're really focusing on commercial vehicles in the electric industry to make them electric. Amazing company, amazing concept. I really like that. I enjoy it. And today it is actually down 12%, which is down $2. I see this actually, and I don't say this a lot about a lot of stocks, as a buying opportunity, which I should get on it really fast, because what if it shoots up but 216 by the end of this video? I don't know. That's happened to me before. But I like it. I really like it. It went to its high. All the hype really took it up all the way to the moon. My brother-in-law did get a call, so congratulations to him. He made good money on that one play on the call. But who would have seen this dump coming? It's part of the game, I was reading an article right here about Workhorse, and it says the volatility of the stock makes it a great trading play, even after the inevitably correct hard. So obviously the reason why you see so many chunks here and there is because it's people pushing it up, selling it fast to get some profit here and there. But as a long hold stock, I like it. I'm gonna buy some. That's just me. I want to buy some early. I'm not like, oh, this is gonna be the next Tesla. When you compare a stock to another stock that really has no correlation, you're just trying to hype yourself up and make yourself cool. That's what I believe. Sorry. Is it the next Tesla? No, it's not. It's its own unique thing. Stop comparing it to other companies. Workhorse is its own unique company, and like I said, I really like their niche. I really like what they're doing. I just saw it at $15.50. Oh, right there. I like that price, especially seeing how high it's gone. I know it can go back up there. The reason why it keeps pushing up and down again is by trader volumes, like people really coming in and going out. But I believe that once there's another good news, another earnings report that exceeds expectations or something of the sort, they are going to soar once again. So this is, in my opinion, is a long-term hold stock over a year. Other stocks, I wouldn't know where the heck are they going to go. But what? Wow, they've been holding a steady $3 to $4 until now. They've really shot up. I do think it is a lot of also hype. Electric vehicles, Tesla is rocketing, so piggybacking off a little bit. But I think it's just bringing the spotlight to this company to where it really should be at. You see, when it started, it was choppy, but back in 2016, we didn't even have the Model 3. I think we barely had the Model X, and that's a super expensive consumer vehicle from Tesla. Didn't really know where the sales were going to go. But Workhorse, again, not competing with Tesla, its own unique thing. It took a little bit of time for them to perfect, their company and their structure and where their business was going to go. Maybe this was a scary time for them, but heck, if you would have bought here and been holding all that time, you are making money. I do think that right now with $15 at a $1 billion cap valuation, in order for them to keep it and keep growing, they just need to deliver on their promise to their investors, to their consumers, that we are making amazing vehicles that are going to be, industrial changing, new century changing. We're in 2020, new decade. Like by the end of the decade, we're going to be the powerhouse of these industrial electric vehicles. So that's what I like about this. I think I'm going to be buying shares here and there. Today that it dropped 12%, going up, as you can see, 12%. I think it's a good long-term hold. If you're going to buy and always be complaining about the stock dropping, hey, why would you complain? If it drops to $10, I'll buy more. That's just me. This is one company that finally has hit the radar in the last last month. A lot of hype around it, but you know, from me, I think it is doing really well. We're gonna check out the Webull chart with all the candlesticks, because this gives me a better picture and idea of what the heck people were doing. As you see, a lot of hype, a sell-off because people thought it was a new high, and then obviously a higher high, and then higher, and then it's sold off. Just patterns that, you know, day traders are taking. But you know, if you're a long-term investor, ignore this. Just, you know, if you really believe in the company, it's going to go up, and just keep an eye on, as long as they're delivering on their earnings, as long as they're delivering on their deliveries, and you know, getting large contract deals, that'll be good. It cooled down. The 50 EMA, which measures I believe the last 50 days of trading, it shows that it should pull up a little bit, but the 200 shows it should pull down. So either way it goes, I think it's still a good buying opportunity. If you buy at 1550, it goes up, you will probably make, as you see right here, a 12% gain. Okay, do you sell? Well, that's on your investment strategy. If it goes from 1250 down to, let's say, 1330 at this 200 EMA, tomorrow or any other day, if we slowly start going down, I can just draw it. If we start going down this way, I would buy more. If we go up, hey, we made a gain. Maybe I'll buy a little bit less. If we were to go up, maybe I'll buy another $100. If we go down, I'll buy $200 or $500. You know, I got some money to invest. I've been looking to invest for long hold in some companies, and this has been on my radar now. I was looking through the articles, and I'm really liking what they're saying. I'm very jealous, like I said, of early investors. A hedge fund that bet early on Workhorse surged 25%, and they were beating the S&P 500 that went up only about 2% the same month. That's insane. That's crazy. Congratulations to them. And I like this statement right here. The hedge fund mitigated some of its risk in Workhorse by holding put options on its competitor, Nikola Corp, citing its unfavorable risk reward. Comment down below, guys, should I make a video on Nikola? I really don't like the company. I just don't want to make a negative video on it if I have nothing good to say about it. That's just me personally, but I'll give you my reasons why, and obviously give you guys the chart and go through the chart with you guys of what's been going on with Nikola. Literally, it went up super high only to be dumped really fast. But Workhorse, I do not see that. I would see it more if it went up to $30 and crashing down to 15. Ooh, that's a hard hit. But you know, I think it's still there. It's still doing really well as long as the company delivers, like I said, and if some good news comes out, I think we're gonna be fine. We're gonna be really, really good. Always do your due diligence, guys. Be careful when investing. There's a lot of risk. I'm only an entertainment stock market channel, giving you guys some news and updates of what the heck I'm thinking, what the heck I'm doing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like. It really helps. If you have a friend if you have a trading buddy, share this video with them. I'd really appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for everything.
Liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon. Go NASA, go SpaceX, Godspeed, Bob and Dog.
Godspeed indeed.
Vehicle pitching downrange.